So as you can see there, that's a video short. We leverage the RazorSharp CRM in order to get that published there. And this will be part of the process associated with the post-production process. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to take you through the post-production process and specifically how to publish, optimize, and syndicate your social media posts. In this video, I'll talk with you about video production. And we're going to talk about simplifying that process with the RazorSharp CRM. This originated from a customer question, how to publish videos into YouTube. There's a lot of different ways to do it. We leverage the RazorSharp CRM and then also we publish directly into the channel. So I'm going to cover both those ways today. But for those of you who don't know, my name's Jesse. I'm the lead designer with RazorSharp. And for the past decade plus, almost 15 years now, we've been helping our clients optimize their online environment and automate their customer lifecycle. We leverage AI in order to help our clients move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please jump over to our YouTube channel, subscribe, set up notifications so you don't miss future trainings. Let me jump right into this training here. And I'm going to take you through the post-production process of the RazorSharp media production frameworks. This would be publication, optimization, and syndication of your videos. If you'd like to get more information on the RazorSharp Network's media production frameworks or details on these 7 steps, please leave a comment in this video and I'll get you taken care of. I'm going to assume that you do have either a free trial or you have a trial or a subscription to the RazorSharp CRM. Our CRM is built on Go High Level, so this video will work for both instances. I'm going to jump right in. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate. Once you log in, you'll navigate to the marketing tab, and then you're going to go to the social media planner. Social media planner is really great. Gives you the ability to make posts, publish videos, leverage AI in order to get your content out more effectively. I know there's some automatic publishing tools that are out there. So we're not going to cover those tools in this video. This would be if you were utilizing or personally publishing your own social media content, or maybe you had a VA that was publishing it. This would make the process all that much easier. First thing you're going to do is go to New Posts. You'll select Create New Post. You're going to select your social media channels. So I'm going to use YouTube and TikTok as the example, and then I'm going to go ahead and select Customize for each channel. What this does is it gives me the ability to cycle between the 2 channels and create a customization there. If you want to make sure the post, or if the post can be the same on both channels, you can go ahead and do that. But if you want to customize it, base your messaging based off of the actual channel itself, you would select that toggle there. Then you would come down, and what I like to do is just import my media content first and foremost. This assumes that the videos have already been uploaded. I'm going to select this video short here. And then while that is uploading, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the AI button. And this will open up our AI prompt generator. So I'm going to type in what to focus on to market or a local business. That's what the video is about. Set some context there. Set some keywords. We select the number of variations, what type of tone that we want. And for video shorts, you can select the amount of output that you want to get from AI, whether it's small, medium, or large. And then I can just go ahead and select generate. I'd review the outputs. What you can do is you can go over and update these. I like to put shorts in the back here because what this does is earmark it for YouTube. This is a video short. In addition to that, what we do is we set our publishing parameters down below, whether we want to publish to everyone, friends, or only me. Then we can select what the video accessibility is, whether we want to give people the ability to comment, duet, and or stitch. And then we have our disclosed video. Turn on disclosures of the video promotes goods and services in exchange for something of value. So if you're actually doing a paid promotion, you would go ahead and include that disclosure here. And then we move down to the parameters for YouTube. We can set the parameters based off of this. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you one step further on this in just a bit, but those would be our parameters. We have our post content. We have the actual video itself. We've leveraged AI in order to accomplish that. We set our parameters for publishing down below. There we can actually schedule this post. If you have a post workflow that you're utilizing in order to approve content, you can actually send this to another user on the RazorSharp CRM, and you can create reoccurring posts. I like to utilize reoccurring posts for events, upcoming workshops, things of that nature, where it's going to be from a specific time period that we might do a reoccurring post over and over again in order to raise visibility and awareness around that. But for this one, I'm going to just select post now. We'll get a post status on the following page once this post is initiated. And as you can see there, that post content is in progress. Now, once the post content is complete, we actually leverage another tool called VidIQ in order to optimize this post into YouTube. We're focused more on YouTube these days and building out our community into YouTube. It's something that we've put off for a long time, but we've doubled down on that and we're starting to deploy AI tools in order to accomplish that. One of the tools that we deploy is actually an application called VidIQ. This is really great. It helps you with your titles. It helps optimize the actual content, the description of the videos, and also the thumbnails. So if you're really interested in getting the competitive advantage on your YouTube publications, what I would do is subscribe to VidIQ. What I'll do is leave a subscription link in the video, in the description of this video on YouTube. If you'd like to click through that, get more information, you can go ahead and do that. Now, once it's been published, we get an actual status here. So what we can do is I can come in here and I can jump over and I can select preview. I'm going to share with you, and this is the preview link for the actual video itself. From here, what you can do is you can actually look at the VidIQ integration in my browser. In addition to that, if I select edit video, this will take me to YouTube Studios, and I'll actually get recommendations from VidIQ in order to optimize this right inside of YouTube Studios. So this is, as you can see here, my title is only ranking 61. And what I want to do is I want to optimize that. In addition to that, I might want to optimize some of the other things in here, like the actual channel that it is listed in. This is a short, so there is no thumbnail on there. It is public. In addition to that, I like to do related videos. So I can come in here and I can do a search. As you can see here, that's a 94 rating. So I'm going to select that one. I'm just going to resave it. And now I have a fully optimized video for YouTube. It's published into YouTube, and it's a video short focusing on to attract loads and loads of leads and customers in your local market. The people that are searching for your products and services, they're getting it from somewhere, and there's some specific reasons that they are getting those searches. Now, before I go any further, my name is Jesse Razo. You can see there, that's a video short. We leverage the RazorSharp CRM in order to get that published there. And this will be part of the process associated with the post-production process. As I said, this is the publication. Optimization based off of whether it's long or short form content. We might publish this to our both the YouTube channel for long form content, and then also create an article from that leveraging AI in order to publish the article, write content around it to make it more searchable, and then publish that on our website in order to increase SEO performance. So with the transcription of that, of course, we get all those really searchable terms that are optimized on our website in order to help raise visibility. So that's all I got for you today. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the description. We'll get those handled for you. If you have other trainings that you're looking for leverage in regards to customer lifecycle automation AI, or how to leverage AI in order to target, attract, engage, close, and or deliver on your product and promise from a contact and or a customer lifecycle standpoint, go ahead and leave that in the description of the video. I promise I will record a training video in the very near future for you. We'll get you taken care of, I promise. And that's all I got for you today. In addition to that, if you'd like to schedule an appointment and set up some time to talk about your favorite topic, which is your business and how to leverage AI in order to drive growth and compress timeframes, then go ahead and look in the description of this video, and I'm sure we'll have a calendar link there for you as well. And that's all I got. Till the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon. Hey there, if you like this video and you like to get access to future trainings about how to leverage AI and automation to help you move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly with better results than ever before, remember to subscribe, set up notifications so that you don't miss future trainings. If you like input or you have challenges that you're trying to overcome within your organization, go ahead and leave a comment, and I promise that I'll get those taken care of for you.